Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yamilli and today's video is going to be about essential makeup products for a dusky skin tone. I know it's very difficult to get the right skin color product for your skin tone. So I'm going to be showing a couple of products that you will be needing for an everyday look. And I'm going to link all of these products down in the description box. So if you guys like it, then you can obviously go down and then check them out. And yeah, so let's get started. And if you do like the video, don't forget to hit subscribe down below and like the video. So I'm going to start off with the Lush 9 to 5 cleansing lotion. It's super organic and my friend got this from Sydney. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Accord Parfait in the shade Mahogany, Maybelline Matte Poreless in the shade Toffee Caramel, and a liquid highlighter from Face's Ultimate Pro Metal Glow in the shade Champagne O2. So I usually mix these two foundations because my shade's a little duskier than a normal dusky skin, but not as dark as a chocolate brown. So mix this to get the perfect skin tone, and with a little liquid moisturizer, I really think it gives a very natural glow to your skin and gives a very super moisturized look to your face. Then I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Mousse Foundation as a concealer. Guys, it really works as a perfect jugadu when you actually run out of concealer. So I'm going to quickly put this up under my eyes, look as if I'm going to bake it, and quickly apply it on my face. And now I'm going to go with the Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer. You've got two shades in it. One is a very chocolatey shade and the other one, I think it looks kind of turboose. So yeah. So I'm going to mix both these shades together and apply it right below my cheek bone right there. Along with it, I'm also going to be using a lipstick which is from Lotus, which is Pure Colors 669 Choco Chip, which is in that shade. Apply it like a contour. It works perfectly well as a nude skin tone lip color. When on the days when you don't want to wear a bold color, this works perfectly well for me. So quickly apply this and move on to my highlighter right now, which is from MAC. It's MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the tone Cheeky Bronze. You've got a couple of shades in MAC, and I really like this one because it has a very blushy undertone to it and it really looks good on my skin. So I'm going to quickly apply this on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, also on the edge of my temples. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio. I generally like using the gel-based eyeliner rather than a liquid one because there's no jhanjat of waiting for it to dry up. So I'm going to quickly apply this on my eyelids. Coming on to the lipstick, I use the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Twilight Dreams. It's actually burgundy in color and not blood red in the shade. So it looks super good for a dusky skin tone. I mean, I usually like this color from the entire shade collection that they have. I wear it for every and any occasion that I used to go out to. I used to wear it even to office most number of times. So I'm going to quickly apply some bronzer and a highlighter on my collarbone so that they pop out. And yeah, you can actually go from looking, I go from looking sick to absolutely ravishing, ready to go out with this lipstick. So that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!